Tired of scattered notes and messy drafts when building your newsletter? Today, we're unlocking a powerful workflow combining Notion's organizational superpowers with Substack's direct publishing platform, slashing your newsletter creation time and boosting efficiency. First, let's leverage Notion for your content planning. Open Notion and create a new page. I recommend using a database view, like a board or table, to manage your newsletter ideas. Set up properties for topic. Status, for example, idea, drafting, ready to publish, draft date, and publish date. This visual system keeps your content pipeline crystal clear. When you're ready to draft, create a new page within your Notion database. For each newsletter post, treat this like your digital canvas. Write your headlines, body text, and even embed images or links. Notion's rich text editing and organizational blocks make it a breeze to structure your content exactly how you envision it. Now, for the seamless transition to Substack. Once your draft in Notion is polished, it's time to publish. Open your Substack editor and create a new post. Simply copy the text from your Notion draft and paste it directly into the Substack editor. Notion's formatting transfers surprisingly well. For any images or complex layouts you had in Notion, you might need to reupload or adjust them slightly within Substack. Preview your post carefully to ensure everything looks exactly as you want it. With this method, your organized planning in Notion means your Substack drafts are clean, concise, and ready for prime time, giving you more time to connect with your audience and less time wrestling with your content.